Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here with a new problem on Python, and this also involves list operations. Okay, so we know about the various list operations like insert, print, remove, append, sort, pop, or reverse. And even if you don't know about it, I'll just go through it within this problem, within this video. So keep watching and I'll tell you how to solve the problem. Now you can see that you can see the problem on your screen, and just take a screenshot and try to do it yourself, solve it yourself first. And if you have any doubts, then just check the video ahead and I'll tell you how to solve it. um, I hope you take a screenshot and let's continue after that. Alright, so let's see what the question wants. Okay, so it has given us 7 operations and it is saying that we have a list. Alright, and it is given to us that there are n commands that will be as input. Okay, and what that means is that we can take, let's say, 10 commands, so we can use any of the 7 commands again and again till it is 10. Alright, after 10 it will stop because the loop runs to 10. I'll show you. And the second thing is, what we have to do is perform the operations on the list. So within the list the operations will be there and we have to perform each operation. Alright, okay. And the next thing what we have to do is print the list when it is called. 3 steps: take n commands as input, perform the operations on the list, and print the list when it is called. Alright, so let's take a variable. Let's say I take n. Alright, and we write the int, which is the integer data type, because we want the value as integer. We take input and then we write enter number of operations. Okay, so this will take the number of operations that we have to perform. Now let's create a empty list. Let's say I write arr, because it will be in array format, so I have written arr. You can take it anything, you can even write list or anything. I took it arr. Next what we do is run a loop. So for underscore in range, and the range will be n, which is the number of operations that we are going to perform. The command equals to input and dot split. So what this does is we take the command input. So let's say we have taken 4 commands. Alright, and we will now have conditions for each command which we will write. So this will take the input for, let's say I write something here. Let's say I write enter operation to perform. So it is basically self-explanatory what this will do. It will take the operation that we have to perform. Let's say we have to print, and it will take in the index value, which is the position where we have to print, and also the value what we have to print in that position. Let's take an example. If, let's say, the command at the 0th index, which is where the operation will be stored, is equal to insert. Alright, so what this will we have to do here is arr dot insert, and we have to type the, I'll just show you after I've written it. And alright, what this will do is when we write the operation as insert, so it will perform the insert operation. The first value in command 1 means that it is the index where the value will be stored. So let's say we write arr dot insert, let's say we write arr dot insert 0, and here we write add 2. Okay, so that means the value 2 will be stored at the 0th index, which is the first one. Generally the first index is numbered 0 in a list. Alright, so that is what it means. We will see when we perform the operation. The next step will be to take another command which we have to perform. So let's take print. Elif command. It is a good habit to generally type yourself. It will increase the speed faster for you. A lot of people prefer to copy and paste, which is good if you are if you have a deadline, but it is better practice to just write code yourself. It will increase the speed. So this command, what we will do when we write print, then it will print the entire list. Alright, and next we take another command, elif remove, elif command 0 equal to remove. Then what we will do is what the remove should do is delete the first occurrence of the integer. Let's say we have taken 3 and it is occurring 2 times, one on index 1 and one on index 5. So it will delete the first occurrence, which means it will delete it on the first index. I'll explain this to you, so just stay with me. Alright, so arr remove and int command at 1. Command at 1 means the index, alright, in which index it comes first. Alright, next another command which we have to do is the append command. So command 0 and equal to append. Alright, and arr dot append. So what the append will do is insert the integer value at the end of the list. So we write arr append and then the int command 1 at the index which we have to place it. Alright, and next command is sort. Elif the command is sort, command is sort, then arr dot sort. So it will sort the list in an ascending order. next will be the pop command, so it will remove the last element. So command 0 pop, then arr dot pop. We have another command which is the last one. Command is reverse. So arr dot reverse, and yes, that's it. So reverse will reverse the list. Let's say if it is 1 2 3, then it will become 3 2 1. All right, it's a basic 5-step problem. We have to take the number of operations which we have to perform. Then we have to create the list, which is the second step. The third step is to loop through the commands. All right, and the fourth step is to take the command. Third step is this, which is the loop. Fourth step is the command which we have to take, and the fifth step is to take the conditions for each command. All right, so let's run this. Now we have entered the number of operations. Let's say I want to create a list of so we're taking on 10 operations, and we write insert 0 at let's say 3, insert 1 and 5, insert 2 at 3, and insert 3 9, print and remove 3. Okay, now let's see the so the first occurrence of 3 was at the 0th index, so it removed it. Okay, so next what we will do is, let's say we want to append append 6 and print. Okay, 6 has been inserted at the end of the list. All right, and let's say we have to sort. So what happened is, why the program closed is because the number of operations reached 10. If you observe, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So after 10 operations, the program closes itself. We require more than 10 operations to perform each and every one, but you understand what happened here. Remove 3 meant removing the first occurrence of 3, which was at 0. Alright, so I hope you understand this question. This was very simple. It is basically like a calculator where you store where the commands will do what. You create a list for the location of the command and what the command will do, and also the values for it. So I hope you understand it. Just solve this on your own in hacker rank, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.